Guess what's done? Rhaenyra. Phase 1 of Rhaenyra is complete. The hem is now hemmed. I can walk in it. It's a little long, but I'll wear heels. And now she's finished. The cuffs are done. And I just can't stop twirling. I am just like blown away. This is one of my favorite costumes, if not my favorite I've ever made. It's like, you know, when you just put something on for the first time and it just fits and works out so well, and you're like, I'm a mad genius. I feel like a mad genius. I guess oh wow, my face is like really red getting like that. But, oh man, she's done. I think I need to do another try on with like my undergarments underneath, like my corset and my petticoat, but this thing is just, it's beautiful. It fits perfect. I'm so excited. Just prepare for Rhaenyra spam for the next couple weeks because I got C2E2 coming up. You guys have been following this journey. I'm becoming Rhaenyra Targaryen. It's official.